how to make a private server in Roblox on PS5. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously load up Roblox on your PS5. And here, the next thing that we have to do is use the search bar. So here, make sure you are on experiences and just search for the game which you wanna essentially play on a private server. So I'm just going to do this for Blade Bow. And if it's a popular game here, so just like Blade Bow, I'm gonna type this out. Okay, done. So find the game, and here many of these popular games will have copies which will not have any players, and it is going to act as a private server. And since you can't directly create a private server in Roblox on the PlayStation 5, you want to choose one of those, and you just load up the game here, and then you can invite your friends into the game, and that's what you can do. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.